Both the arms parallel to the ground. Parallel to the ground. The left arm should cross your right arm. The left arm should cross your right arm. Palm should face each other. Palm should face each other. And clamp it tightly. Clamp it tightly. Clamp it tightly. Clamp it tightly. And both the index finger should come out. No, this is thumb. It is index finger should come out. Index finger. Yeah, this is. And now turn it. What's wrong, man? Oh, so innocently she's struggling. What happened? No? Did it? How many people successfully do it? None. Oh. Yes. Are you sure? Your left arm should cross the right arm. Palm facing each other. Clamp it tightly. Both the index finger. Index finger. This is the index finger. Yeah? And turn it. Got it? Yes. How many who did not get it? Anybody who did not get it? Honestly. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 of all of you. It is happening right there in front of your naked eyes in broad daylight. Okay.